Yeah, welcome back to another video. You're cold. You need to wear some clothes. There we go. You have clothes now. I wish I can do that.
T-shirt now.
Wow. Anyway, guys, please subscribe and like my videos.
Wait.
What?
I'm going to tell you. Wait, I'm going to celebrate with you.
Where are you? Wow, you scared me there.
Wait, I'm gonna tell you something.
What? Yeah, then.
Kaki pressing technique.
Whoa! How you? I should. Yeah. Anyway, guys, please like this, subscribe it, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Whoa, I forgot something. Breakfast!